This video is to go over lesson 307, homework 3B. For exercise 3 to 8, find the area of each figures. Assume the sides that looks parallel are parallel and angles that appear to be right angles are right angles. So problem number 3, we have little like step like this, and the length here is 6, and that's 6. So I want you to think that, okay, you got the square here, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares, and this square is one square is 6 by 6. So this area here is 36, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So you can go from there. And problem number 4 is very skinny parallelogram that has 18, the base is 18, and the height is 1 unit. So I want you to think that, okay, you can actually make rectangle out of this. You cut right there, and you get the small triangle right there, so you're going to put that on the other side of the parallelogram. So now you can get the rectangle. Now we can find the rectangle. You know how to get the area of a rectangle. Number 5, you got this shape. You have 8, 10, 3, and 15. Again, you can cut this weird shape into 2 rectangles right there. Once you get that, it's really easy to find the area of this big rectangle, and you got the small rectangle right there. So and then if you add these together using the theorem 3 points, is that 3.3 or 3.1? No, 3.2. That's a postulate, the additive postulate. So if you can add these 2 rectangles to get the total area. Use that concept for other things. Think about how you can make rectangle out of that. So here's number 6. You have 5, 5, 5. That's a rhombus, and the height is 4.3. Again, if you cut the left side of it, you can get the right triangle, and if you put that back, put it on the right side of it, sliding, then you'll have rectangle, and we can have we can get the answer. Problem number 7, we have shape like this, 6 and 5 and 10, and again, if you cut it here, then you get the one rectangle and triangle. And this triangle, if you can make a rectangle out of it, making a copy of the same triangle, flip it over, and attach to the other side, you get another rectangle. So, and once you got that, if you divide that by 2, since you have 2 copies, and if you add this triangle and this big rectangle, then you get the answer. Finally, number 8, you have very skinny triangle with base 18 units. Base is 18 units, and the height is 2 units. So you can make another copy of that triangle, flip it over, attach it so that you get parallelogram, and now you get if you cut that triangle, stick it out on the left, and slide it over to the other side, we can make a rectangle. Once you find the area of the rectangle, since you have 2 copies of them, if you divide that by 2, that's going to be the area of this figure.